Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're your shortcut to getting really well-informed fast. Today, we're tackling essential home services, specifically air conditioning maintenance.
Yeah.
We're digging into sources focused on homeowners, particularly in places like, say, Maple Ridge.
Yeah, exactly. We've looked at some key parts of a guide called Air Conditioning Services in Maple Ridge, Your Ultimate Guide.
Yeah.
Found it on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. It's quite useful. Our goal today, pinpoint the real benefits and explain why getting local professional help is just crucial for comfort, health, and, efficiency.
Okay. Let's break it down first. Super simple terms. What is air conditioning, really?
Yeah.
Like if you had to explain it really, basically.
Right. At its core, it's a system, a machine, designed to cool the air inside your home. That's the obvious part. But it also does something else really important. It pulls moisture, water out of the air, dehumidifies.
Dehumidification. So that's what makes it feel less sticky and just comfortable, especially when it gets really hot.
Exactly, that's the comfort piece. But what's interesting in the source material is how it positions AC as almost a necessity, not just, a luxury. The benefits go beyond just feeling cool.
Okay, so the guide highlights two big ones, right? First is, the obvious one, health and comfort. It keeps the temperature steady, reduces that damp feeling. But it also mentioned filters. Like, advanced units have filters that actually clean the air.
That's right. These filters can trap dust, pollen, common allergens. So if you or someone in your family has breathing issues or maybe allergies, cleaner air makes a real difference. It's a health benefit.
Got it. Health and comfort. What's the second major advantage mentioned?
The second one is about saving money, cold hard cash. But, and this is a big but, only if the system is running correctly, energy efficiency is key. The source, the guide on the Pacific Blue Mechanical site, talks about something called a SEER rating.
SEER. I hear that term thrown around. What does it actually mean? And why is a high rating good for, my wallet?
Oh, good question. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Think of it like miles per gallon for your car, but for cooling. Higher number, less energy used. Simple as that.
Okay, so higher SEER means lower energy bills.
Yeah.
What kind of numbers should people look for?
The guide suggests aiming for a SEER rating of 14 or higher, especially with new installs. If your unit's way below that, you're basically, leaking money each month on your energy bill. That's the takeaway.
Leaking money. Ouch. Okay, so efficiency is the goal. How does getting professional service, like the guide suggests, actually help achieve that SEER performance? Is the technician really that important?
Oh, absolutely critical. And this is where local expertise, like from Pacific Blue Mechanical, really shines. See, peak efficiency depends heavily on having the exact right amount of refrigerant, the coolant, and clean coils.
Refrigerant levels.
Yes. If it's installed improperly or maybe develops a tiny leak over time, the coolant level drops. When that happens, the main part, the compressor, has to work way, way harder to cool your house.
And working harder means more energy used. Yeah. And probably wears it out faster.
Precisely. More energy, higher bills. Plus, it shortens the unit's lifespan. Instead of getting 10, maybe 15 years out of it, it could fail much sooner, leading to a really expensive replacement you weren't expecting.
So professional service isn't just fixing things when they break, it's proactive, like preventing those big costly breakdowns later by keeping it efficient now.
Exactly. Prevention is the key word. It ensures you get that optimal efficiency and the long lifespan the unit was designed for.
Okay, so if you're in Maple Ridge or somewhere similar and you need this service, what should you look for in a local company, according to the guide?
The advice is pretty straightforward. First, check their reputation. Look beyond just sales pitches. Read actual customer reviews. Do they follow through on service? Are people happy long term? And crucially, insist on clear pricing transparency. No hidden fees, know the cost up front.
Makes sense. Reputation, reviews, clear pricing. Now, connecting this to the bigger picture, maintenance seems like a shared job. Like there's something simple homeowners can do themselves.
Definitely. The easiest thing you can do, and should do regularly, is check your air filters. Clean them or replace them often, depending on the type. Clogged filters restrict airflow, making the system work harder.
Okay, filter checks, homeowners can handle that. But the professional checkup?
That needs to happen at least once a year, ideally before summer hits hard. That's when the technician checks the important stuff, the refrigerant levels, deep cleans the coils. That annual visit is what really protects your investment and ensures longevity.
Right. So let's leave our listeners with a final thought. We've seen how investing in local professional AC service, maybe from a place like Pacific Blue Mechanical, leads to better air, lower costs. basically optimizing a complex system. So what other systems in your home, the guide mentioned plumbing, drainage too, might benefit from that same expert eye? Could proactive care there also improve your well-being and save you money down the line? Something to think about.